strengthen those bodies. Here we go, let's go wide. Straight up, crossing.
Let's get started. Dig deep, guys. We got this. Let's go. We're in this together. You crushed it today.
With a cooling drawer, Bluetooth speakers, wireless charging, LED lights, a smart sleep app, and so much more, the SOBRO side table is designed to help you live better. We started with a mid-century modern silhouette and paired that with cutting-edge materials for durability and performance. We didn't just build a light into the SOBRO, we created a customizable lighting system that can create a cozy atmosphere at night and can wake you up naturally with a simulated sunrise. It's so cool. We spent a lot of time on the little details, like the motion activated light bar that gently illuminates if you get up in the middle of the night. But we didn't just stop there. We also put in a white noise generator to help you sleep more soundly and an intelligent alarm clock, all controllable from the SOBRO app. We knew from the beginning that we wanted to put in a cooling drawer. That way, you can grab a cool drink in the middle of the night or entertain your friends without having to step away from the action. Our cooling drawer is thermoelectric, so it's whisper quiet and uses way less power. And a quiet cooling drawer means crystal clear audio from our built-in speakers. The side table is designed for your connected life, so we added a wireless charging pad. It's as easy as setting down your phone. On the back of the SOBRO, you'll find ports and outlets so you can connect any type of device for easy charging. We were truly humbled by the overwhelming enthusiasm from our backers, with well over 4,000 people participating in our Indiegogo campaign. Now that our initial orders have shipped, we are thrilled to be ramping up production so that we can bring the next generation in smart furniture to the world.
Getting by, got a heavy load, let's try